Hello Caravanners, this is a guide to our Caravan digital archive that is super simple and easy to use. The archive includes every issue of Caravan since February 2013, plus every new issue, and is fully searchable so you can easily find what you are looking for. You can select a specific issue of the magazine, or you can search for a word or phrase, for example, twin axle, and then make your choice from the results. As you can see, there is a bar at the bottom of each page which enables you to navigate through each issue or individual article with ease. To zoom in on a page, you can click on it or use the button highlighted here. You can also view all of the magazine's individual pages on one screen by clicking the button in the centre of the bar, taking you to the thumbnail view, where you can then navigate to any page you like. You can also navigate through the contents page, which you can find either by clicking this button or selecting the contents page via the thumbnail view. To skip to your chosen content from here, simply click the relevant page numbers and voila, it's so simple to use.